Because you want to believe that. Well, Colonel Crick's just said that it's going to be safe to land in Normandy tomorrow, and so that's what you believe. But everything that he's just said is pure, unadulterated horse shit. You can muster all the tanks and soldiers and ships that you like. You can assemble the greatest armada that ever there was, but if you invade tomorrow, they're going to be washed away. Because the storms that I'm talking about are real, and the jet stream that's propelling them towards the Normandy coast is real, and the wrath of nature is real. And if you ignore it, then countless men and countless boys that's it.
Call General Eisenhower.
Soldiers, sailors, and airmen, you are about to embark upon the Great Crusade. The eyes of the world are upon you.
D-Day will be the largest seaborne invasion in history. We invade France Monday.
I'm concerned that what you're saying is impossible.
Oh, they won't like this.
There are two major storms advancing towards the Normandy coast, even as we speak.
My men are ready. Get them onto the beaches somehow, anyhow.
With waves of 10 feet, we won't be landing anywhere.
Churchill says he's a genius.
If D-Day is cancelled, we will lose. Do you want to be personally responsible for losing this war?
Get me the data from every weather balloon, every reconnaissance flight. The invasion is Monday, Monday, Monday.
We have 3 hours. Go or don't go.
We have a small window, but the timing must be perfect.
You want me to send my men into the storm?
They'll never see it coming, sir, never.
Why should I trust you?
We must face the facts! The facts! However frightening they may be!
We will accept nothing less than full victory.
Pressure, the untold true story of D-Day. Rated PG-13, only in theaters May 29th. Discover it at Dolby Cinema.